Hey there, savvy savers. If you're a Capital One Savor cardholder, you've probably been earning some serious cashback on your favorite things like dining out, groceries, and entertainment. But what's the point of those rewards if you don't know how to cash them in? In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to redeem your Capital One Savor rewards, so you can start enjoying your hard-earned perks right away. Let's dive in. First, grab your phone or computer and head to the Capital One website or open the Capital One mobile app. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you haven't set up online access yet, it's quick and easy to do so. Once you're in, look for the Rewards section, which is usually front and center on your dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Next, click or tap on Rewards to see your balance. Capital One Savor rewards are typically in the form of cashback, so you'll see your total available points right there. Now, choose how you want to redeem them. Options include statement credits to offset your purchases, direct deposits into your bank account, or even gift cards from popular retailers. For example, if you want a statement credit, select that option and follow the prompts to apply it to your next bill. If you're going for a gift card, browse the available choices. There are tons of options like Amazon or Starbucks. Just select the one you like, specify the amount, and confirm your redemption. It's that straightforward. One tip: make sure to check for any minimum redemption amounts, as Capital One might require a certain threshold, like $20 or more. Once you've made your selection, review the details to ensure everything looks good, then hit Redeem. You'll get a confirmation email almost instantly, and your rewards should be applied within a few business days. Pretty cool, right? Redeeming your Capital One Savor rewards is a breeze and a great way to maximize your everyday spending. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and happy redeeming.